Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy quinoa salad. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, quinoa. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then combine it with 2 cups of water or vegetable broth in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then fluff it with a fork. Now that our quinoa is ready, let's prepare the vibrant vegetables that will make this salad truly shine. We'll need 1 cucumber, 1 bell pepper, and 1/2 of a red onion, all diced into small, uniform pieces. Next, have about 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. Finally, finely chop 1/4 cup of fresh parsley and 1/4 cup of fresh mint. These fresh herbs add a wonderful aroma and taste. A great salad needs a fantastic dressing, and ours is simple yet incredibly flavorful. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil with 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1/2 teaspoon of honey to balance the tanginess. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good whisk until everything is well combined and emulsified. We're almost there. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled, fluffy quinoa with all the beautifully chopped vegetables. Now, pour that zesty lemon dressing evenly over the entire mixture. Gently toss everything together until every ingredient is well coated and integrated. You can serve this delicious quinoa salad immediately, or, for even better flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.